Hello. Okay, so I've tried filming this video so many times on my actual camera and I do not like how it turns out every single time. So I was like, what if I just film it on my phone? So obviously I can see myself, so if I keep looking over here and not the camera, I'm sorry. So for those of you who already know me, hello, and if you don't know me, my name is Jada. I am creating herself. I have wanted to start a YouTube channel for so freaking long now, and I've put every excuse in the book towards it. So I've tried like filming like crazier videos and none of them worked out. So I'm just like, you know what? I need to just be extremely laid back, be super chill, and just do like a get ready / get to know me video, because this will probably be my first video on YouTube. If you're seeing this, congratulations, because it's probably my 50th video I've filmed. I just get really weird in front of the camera, I think. But I don't know why, because I don't feel like I'm like a shy person in real life. Anyway. So, with that being said, I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. Shoot, where do I even start? I'm not gonna like go in depth, I don't think. Like, this isn't gonna be a tutorial because I don't really even know what I'm doing. I'm just getting ready. But basically I always moisturize my face first because it's winter and where I live, it's really dry, like extremely dry. And that reflects my skin because my skin is extremely dry. So I use a really, I was gonna say full coverage moisturizer. I don't know what this is. It's just like an intense, like ultra rich cream, I guess. But yeah. So, like I was saying, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Jada. I just turned 20 years old. I do not go to school. I just stay at home and I do makeup full time. I do makeup on TikTok, and I also have an Instagram for my makeup too. So if you're not already following those, I'll try to put them on the screen. So follow them. Another thing is like, so many people have been telling me to start a YouTube channel, and I've had a YouTube channel for a while. I just haven't posted on it yet. So if I continue posting, the quality will continue to get better, just because I'm only using my phone today just because I need it to be like really relaxed. But I do have a camera, so I'll start using that if I continue with this. Kind of just how I feel, I don't know. I get in like creative ruts and other ruts, like when I get a lot of hate comments. I kind of stopped doing makeup for a while because I'm like, well, do these people like really think this, you know? But then I realized I'm human and it's okay to feel like that, and that those people have nothing better to do with their time. So I could honestly make like a whole video on people and leaving hate comments, because I'm not like a big creator or anything, but every freaking comment that's like got some hateful remark or rude remark, it does get to you. Gets to anyone. If you're human, it gets to you. So one thing about me is, especially this past, like, I want to say 1.5 to 2 years, I've been really like focusing on my mental health, and I have really, really bad anxiety and really bad depression. And so I've been, like I said, trying to work on myself and work on that, and I definitely feel like it's been improving. Like I feel like I'm on a whole new like level, I guess. But lately, I think it's just because I live in a freaking depressing state. But like lately, it's been getting worse again. And I don't know if it's like just seasonal depression or if it's like me. But that's also why I feel like I haven't been that active on like social media and stuff lately, because like I said about the hate, like that stuff really gets to you and it sucks. But I don't know, I just try to keep like a good mindset going into it, and I'm like a firm believer of like you only have one life. So wow, I look crazy. But you only have one life, and it's like you need to just freaking do whatever you want, and despite what anyone else says, just freaking do it, you know? Basically, I could make a whole entire video on like mental health and like mindset and manifestation. Like, I believe in that stuff like crazy, and I have like a manifestation journal. I use it every single day. I can make a whole entire video talking about that because I'm so, I don't know, I just, when I talk about that, like, I get so inspired. But I don't really know like where this YouTube channel is gonna go, because I don't want it to be like the typical beauty guru channel. Like, I would like to do like everything, but I guess that's just like where feedback comes in. So like I said, if this ends up on YouTube and people are watching it, any like feedback helps. I mean, I prefer positive, but you do you. If you guys have any like video ideas you like me to do, or literally anything, leave it in the comments, or you can DM me. Like I said, my Instagram will probably be in the description. So normally, like when I do my makeup, I always do my eyebrows first, and then I do my eyes next, and then my foundation. But I don't think I'm gonna be doing like a crazy makeup look today. I don't know. It could change, honestly. I never know what I'm doing. Okay, so I just finished my brows off camera, and they're looking a little bit whack, so now I'm going to carve them out with concealer. I just want my channel to be like different. And I don't know how to do that, because I don't want to just be like a typical makeup guru. I want to be, you know, someone people can look up to or get inspiration from or something, if it ever came to that. I just carved out them brows. Let me fix this one a little bit. I know I already went over this, but like for some reason my anxiety has been so bad lately, and I don't know why. I know like so many people would be like, oh my gosh, I would always be there for you and whatever, but like there's only like a really select few people that I know are really truly there for me. As much as that makes me happy that I know who's real and who's not, like it also sucks because not having certain people in your life, obviously not ideal, especially if they're ones like really important to you. But I guess that's another part of life, is that there needs to be change that happens in order for change to happen to you, you know? That's kind of where I am at mentally. It's just like I have to be selfish with my emotions, sort of thing, and not let people in that don't deserve me. It's kind of just a thing of growing up. It's just like you have to let people go, and you have to start focusing on yourself, and just take what you have and go with it, you know? Oh my gosh, I forgot I had coffee. Wow. That possibly might be the worst coffee I've ever had in my life. Oh my gosh. Another thing about me is like, I've already like done the YouTube thing. Not done the YouTube thing, but tried to do the YouTube thing a couple times. Just like, you know how everyone just wants to be like a YouTuber, you know? And like, I know you've like set your phone up in your car and done like a mukbang or something, you know? I've tried doing this multiple times, and like I really want this time to be it, you know? It just feels like I can't do anything. And like I know that, and I mean this in not a self-conceited way, but I know like I'm talented and I am bringing something to this earth. Not necessarily do I know what that is yet, but I just know I have something to share. And like I've always wanted to have, like I wanted to be a public speaker. Like who wants to be a public speaker? And I still kind of want to be. Like not necessarily a public speaker, but I want to have an audience that I could speak to. And I think I do have that. I just don't know how to say it, if that makes sense. It's like weird that so many people want to support me, but at the same time, it's like what I've been wanting forever. I'm kind of like struggling mentally there just because I just like feel like anything I'll say will get like hate. I just want to like mean something. But then another part of me wants to just sit in bed and cry all day. This video is probably just gonna be like a 15-minute video of me just ranting. Don't get me wrong, I'm so incredibly grateful for every single thing I have and for every single person that has decided to support me and leave nice comments about me and everything. Like, I'm so grateful for that. I'm just trying to figure out how to use that like to its best potential and help as many people as I can. Like I just feel like I have like some good knowledge that could be beneficial to at least one person. And if it did affect one person positively, like then it's already worth it. So that's kind of where I stand. And I think I want to do like a little graphic liner moment. Okay, I had a phone call, but now I'm back. I'm feeling a little bit better, which is weird, but I decided I want to do like sky blue liner. Okay, so I just did a little bit of like graphic liner sort of thing. So I'm gonna put on some lashes and I will be right back. So I put lashes on and I did my lips and this is the final makeup look. I think it's super cute. Holy crap, I'm blind. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me through this video. And if you see this, that means it's on YouTube now. But yeah, so thank you guys all for the support. Like I said, if you have any video ideas you want to see me do, leave them in the comments or DM them to me on Instagram. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.